Two professional dance companies from two different countries, the United States and Slovakia, have come together for a dance theater collaboration. It's called Tapestry, and it makes its international premiere March 21st and 22nd at the Grandel Theatre. We're going to learn all about it on today's show. I'm joined by Don Karlovsky of Karlovsky Company Dance, as well as Sebastian Mendez Marin. From, here we go, Divadlo Štúdio Tanca from Slovakia. I know, I probably should restate both of those, but thank you both for being here. This really, when I read about this, fascinated me, how the two companies from Slovakia and here, Don, in St. Louis, I mean, I've read a lot over the years and followed Karlovsky and Company Dance, but how you've come together to do this international collaboration. Maybe start us off, how did this happen, and what is it that people are going to see?
Well, 2 years ago, roughly 2 years ago, I traveled to Czech Republic and Slovakia to do some research for my family heritage. I wanted to also investigate what was the kind of dance happening in these parts of the world. Banská Bystrica was one of the places I had my eye on because that's the birthplace of my grandmother. Okay. So that's how I arrived in Banská Bystrica. While I was there, I discovered my grandmother's birth home, the cemetery where our families are buried. And my grandmother immigrated to the United States in 1913. So she was not buried along with her family, but I did find this history really fascinating. But it led me to researching dance in the region, and that's how I found Divadlo Štúdio Tanca. And that's how we met. It just so happened that the week I was there, his theater was hosting these master classes, some workshops from some other European guest artists, and I signed up and I took these classes, and it was really great. And then we started talking, and once we started talking, it just so happened that we discovered we shared a lot of similar artistic values, and we seem to have a common kind of language, but also maybe some things that were different, and in a different kind of a way of like, how do we approach the creative process? And then we just continue with the conversation until it formed into this collaboration.
So that's really great. I want to show, we're going to, as we continue to talk, throw up some video. So first, for people, I want to have some video roll of your company. Okay. And just tell people a bit about your company. I've seen your company perform before, and it's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
And but just give our audience like a brief background on the style of dance.
Well, we are a professional contemporary modern dance company. Our emphasis tends to be more on the dance theater side of the dance contemporary world. In that way, we are very much integrating multiple types of other artistic elements, such as live music. Our music is always composed for us, and I have a wonderful, wonderful group of artists that we've been collaborating with over the many, many years. We also collaborate with visual artists over the years. We also have had actors, and we include spoken word in the program, in the presentation. So it really becomes a very full choreographic process that involves many different elements.
Yes, no, that's no, I mean, everything you're saying, it sounds completely accurate to how I've seen with the company. And Sebastian, Divadlo Štúdio Tanca, we've got some video as well. Dance theater similar to Karlovsky and Company Dance, but give us a bit of background on your company, that you're the artistic director.
Yeah, yes. I am artistic director already for 4 years. But the company is 25 years old. Okay. This is the only professional dance company in Slovakia that has funding from the regional government of Banská Bystrica. All the other companies or collectives that are working in Slovakia right now are independent collectives or like small companies. But Divadlo has this supported with funding. That means that we have our own theater, our own production team, and a cast of 6 dancers with whom we create different pieces. Normally we commission choreographers to come to create in the company. And we are constantly trying to find ways to bring contemporary dance closer to the audiences, because contemporary dance lately has been a very misunderstood kind of dance, and in Europe and especially in Slovakia, in some cases has even been attacked. So we are trying to bridge the gap, trying to heal that kind of misconception. And we create a lot of pieces that, of course, we are pushing the boundaries of art, but also in some cases we try to connect with the audiences that maybe didn't have experience with contemporary dance before, and we try to bring them close again and kind of bring down the misconceptions that they have about it. Yeah.
So interesting. And then we come to Tapestry. So here we are, two companies, one from Slovakia, one from right here in St. Louis. You're there in Grand Center, coming together. We've got this performance on March 21st and 22nd. So what is Tapestry going to be like? I mean, if I understand it correctly, your company is going to be performing separate works, your company as well, but then you're going to also come together. So what's it going to be like?
Well, I called it Tapestry partly for that reason of this is an interweaving of different perspectives coming together, of different works from different places coming together into one show. So that interweaving is really kind of the evidence, is evidence of this work. And so the work I am creating and have and premiering is a new piece that was initially inspired by my family heritage and the research that took place in regard to immigration and my family's immigration from Slovakia and from Czech Republic to the United States. But then as the piece went on, it's called This Home, I realize now that it's really much more than just about my personal kind of family story, but rather a universal kind of idea of how important it is to have home and to have that to identify a place in the world that is your home, and to wherever you are, that might be your home, whether it was the original home or a new home for you. So it becomes more of a universal idea of, yes, reflecting on this immigration process of what it takes to explore new land and to take the journey that's going to be really risky and scary, but also at the same time discovering something new and really finding a place where you belong.
That's really interesting. And yeah, I mean, it's so interesting too. Dance always has such a way of emotionally conveying a topic and a subject. It's just with the music and the movement, and that's just and that concept of home. That's really really interesting. Thank you for sharing that. And Sebastian, what about with your company? What works can people expect?
We bring two works, two short pieces. We come with our cast. Our cast normally is 6 people, and here is only 4, all Slovak dancers, but the 2 choreographers are actually Jack Stromberg from Sweden and Cindy Ng from Malaysia.
Oh, okay.
So our company has a very diverse cast, and in this case they are touring to Hong Kong, so they could not come here. But I wanted to bring something from them, so this is why their shows are coming here. Jack is exploring, it's a piece more focused in movement and the connection between movement and music. But his work also explore the idea of touch or like human connection, from disconnection to connection, and from how just the touch is something important for us for nurturing our, social skills. And Cindy's work, Medusa, Jack's work is called Somewhere We Begin Again. And Cindy's work, Medusa, she is creating a parallel between the myth of Medusa and the idea of beauty, like from the stereotypical idea to a more deep introspection or understanding of it.
That's great. I want to make sure we have some photos too. They've been running, but to kind of bring them back up again, because the final thing I want to make sure that we highlight is that the tapestry to bring it all together, you are performing together. So I mean, this collaboration does actually have a work in of itself, and so that's when you leave here, if I'm correct, you're going to go practice it right now. And so how's that? I mean, you're artists and you've been doing this for so long, but how does that all kind of come together?
Well, we will see.
No, but I think that part of this, the beauty of this collaboration is that sometimes we artists, when we meet from different parts of the world, we speak a lot about collaborating and somehow creating something together. And this conversation started to build to the point that we not only imagined, but started to make things happen, you know. And I think that now we will get to the point where we finally meet also on the studio and in the stage, and we can do that in the way that we really wanted it, that is not coordinating flights and hotels and things like that, but you know, meeting artists from different contexts, different places, to be in the same studio and the same theater together. So it's going to be an experiment. We don't know what's going to come out of it.
It's so exciting.
We have short time,
Yeah.
but I think it's going to be beautiful.
Well, I mean, my company is very comfortable in doing improvisational work, and I know your company is also very much involved in working through improvisational structures. So I think with the combined ideas of working with the different kind of improvisational prompts, that we can come up with something that's unique and new for both companies, and we share that together on stage. So that's
and just even the ability that I mean, like, or last week you were in Slovakia, and here you are in St. Louis. By the way, welcome to St. Louis.
Thanks so
but
much.
to have that sort of creative sort of passion and drive for both companies to come together, I have no doubt that it's really, you know, you're making magic and you're making art, and that's wonderful. Last thing, I know we have to wrap up, but I do want to mention you're having the honorary consul of Slovakia from Kansas City, and Alderwoman Laura Keys. Tell us really, really briefly what's going to happen is that on Friday, the 21st?
Yes, actually we're going to open the program with a special presentation. We have the Honorary Consul of Slovakia coming from Kansas City, Terry Smitka, and Terry and his wife will be there to represent the Slovak community coming from Kansas City, and then again, providing that support. We also have this proclamation from the city of St. Louis that the mayor's office is providing, and we have a representative from the mayor's office who's going to be presenting Divadlo Štúdio Tanca with a proclamation from the city and a resolution from the city of St. Louis that is going to be presented by Laura Keys.
Oh, that's great.
So
that's great.
We're really thrilled to have this kind of recognition that your company will also have this amazing recognition, but that, you know, that the city of St. Louis is honoring this whole project.
That's
really,
fantastic.
Really
congratulations. That's really great. Congratulations. We've got the information there for you on the screen to check it out, as well for tickets. So again, it's called Tapestry, an international collaboration with Karlovsky Company Dance and Divadlo Štúdio Tanca from Slovakia. It's taking place March 21st and 22nd at the Grandel Theatre. For tickets and more information, go to karlovskydance.org and also follow them on social media. Really fascinating. Congratulations again. I know how much work goes into I don't know, but you know, I know a lot of work goes into it. So I think this is going to be great. And again, thank you for being here, and welcome to St. Louis. And
thank you so much.
Being here. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
And thank you at home for watching STL TV. We've got our social handles there on the screen for you to follow us on social media. You can also follow us and check out our website, stltv.net. And of course, keep it right here on STL TV, Experience St. Louis.